Welcome back to Daytime Live. I am so excited as our audience. We are joined by recording artist. Yes, Rasa is in the house. Welcome.
Thanks for having me.
Hey,
What does
pleasure is ours.
What does the I stand for?
My name is Emmanuel. So the name Rasa was given to me by a virgin at the studio one day. So
So does I Manuel have a meaning?
God with us.
Lovely. I love it. God with him, God with us. Yes.
Yeah, God with
Emmanuel.
everybody, huh?
Our-
Tell us, how did you get started in your music career? Tell us about
My mother's side. My mother was a part of Tough Gang International from the beginning. So me basically grew up in the studio.
Right.
So I've seen Dennis Brown, Greg Gray, Dean Fraser, you name it. I've seen them all work. So it was only natural. So it was either football or music.
Hey.
And music,
So
Do you still play football now?
of course.
All right.
Every chance me
You
get.
can you still have you still have it. You can enter some things.
I mean-
some things are, where's the skill level at? Tell me.
It's up there.
It's up there. All right, all
I
right, all
don't
right.
expect, God with us to say any different. But Rasai, that's amazing that you would have seen all these iconics and all these legends. How do you think experiencing that has influenced your music now?
The sound. So coming from the heavy roots sound,
Yeah.
you know, I really listen to a lot of old reggae. So you will hear sounds like Steel Pulse and Abyssinians and so in my music, Third World. Bob Marley and the Wailers, of course, and things. But just to name a few, and Dennis Brown.
Yes.
So Dennis Brown is my favorite singer, but Steel Pulse is my favorite band.
Wow.
And you will hear a lot of jazz influences in my music.
Right.
So,
Dennis
yeah.
Brown, that's
Yeah,
interesting.
you're so humble with it. I'm expecting, listen, you're gonna love this, all right? So what are you going to perform for us on Daytime Live today?
Crazy Over You.
Thanks, I'm crazy about you too. Yeah. Oh, both of us. Okay.
Yeah, why
All
don't you
right.
take it for you? All right, take it away. We'll come back after to have a little chat.
Yeah.
All right. Rasai,
Rasai,
everybody.
Woo!
Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Da-da-da. Yeah. Oh, my love goes crazy over you. I'm in love with all the things you do. You build my vibe, you set the mood. My love goes crazy on you. I'm not used to sharing feelings. Again, that it's a fault of mine. I know there's a damn good reason I'm feeling this way for some time. Everything has its season, and every season's for a time. If you should ever think of leaving, my love goes crazy over you. I try to tell you every day I'm in love with all the things you do. You build my vibe, you set the mood. My love goes crazy over you. And she said, why you always there for me, especially when I need it? Always care for me, why you make me believe it? Why you taking the time, why you making me smile? Oh, you not good thinking, but appreciating my mind. Why you don't take me out, really, why you don't take me places? Oh, you change your way, me see that scared is really sacred. Scrolling past the pictures, do you love it, do you hate it? Why you still, why you still, why you still? Why you don't tweet, why you don't post up on the Insta? She really wish me would get in her skin just like a splinter. And she said, oh, and just remember, any girl you calling baby must come out of her placenta. Look into her eyes, yeah, tell me what you see, yeah. She the crazy type, beat him like we kids. Oh, and just remember that my love goes crazy over you. In love with all the things you do. You build my vibe, you set the mood. My love goes crazy over you. She bringing me peace of mind. She really the reason why. The vibe bright, I smile, feeling like music chat. Nighttime, right time, king the queen reside. She quite fine, pipeline, feeling the need it. Put me in need desire. She never leave my side. I love your body, I love your soul, spiritually divine. Listen to me always, she the read my mind. Journey the perfect blessing, my work will return the message, the slightest touch. I just love it, the nicest of it, build the vibe and such. Tryna hurry, you tryna hurry, you enticing, why you lovely? Time running, if I'm running, time I'm fighting now. Baby, you know it's true. My love goes crazy over you. Yeah, oh my love goes crazy over you. I'm in love with all the things you do. You build my vibe, you set the mood. My love goes crazy over you.
Okay, Rasai, our love is going crazy over you right now. Awesome.
Thank you very much. Thank you
where
very much.
do we see you locally? We want to come see you perform.
The next show is August 24th, Inner Ear. It's a silent headphone acoustic experience. So
Wow.
on the lineup we have myself, Black Hero, Nomads, Royal Blue, and another special guest to be announced this week. So it's going to be a lovely vibe. So everything is running through the headphones. So studio mix, a totally different experience. $1,000 pre-sold, $1,500 at the gate. Sky Dweller Lounge, the lounge of Sky Dweller actually. So wonderful
So it's not
vibe.
in the room, it's up on top of the deck.
Yeah, so you're getting a nice vibe.
Yeah,
So.
right.
And when did you say it was?
Saturday, August 24th.
24th.
All right.
Okay.
How we follow you? Where we follow you?
Well, my Instagram handle is @RASI, RASI_MUSIQUE. And that's the same for Twitter, and Facebook is RAS-I space MUSIQUE.
All right, cool. Lovely.
Thank you guys. That song is hot.
Thank you
And I
very
want
much.
to hear who you write it for because it sounds very intimate,
Wait
you know,
a
very
minute.
Just cool.
Okay, you know what? Just keep the music going. You're gonna sing again. That's all we have for Daytime Live today. I hope you have a great weekend. Remember to catch us on Tuesday for more buzz,
chat,
vibe, and
mix.
Thank
Big
you
up
for
yourself. Have a
watching.
good weekend and
Yeah.
walk good.